In this article, we have featured the Fluent City discount coupon and promo codes June 2020. Here, you would come to know about their services and also get a detailed review of them, so that you know better about them before opting for them, from those who have prior used it and know how it actually is. Fluent City is an innovative language training organization, which was founded in 2011, with the intention to provide a better platform to learn various languages and offer instructions to groups, individuals and businesses in 11 different languages. All of this is done through in-person classes, corporate training, and online tools, all of which are super easy to reach and use. Fluent City has become the country's one of the fastest growing language companies, and all of this is because the company provides its customers with a contemporary curriculum, and a highly interactive approach is used to do all of it. And with the added advantage of Fluent City coupon codes, learning a language at a lower price gets even more easier. 40% off on your first class. 50% off first month lessons. Discount code ONLINE50. Save $50 on a reference. Check out best offer detail in the description. Go and grab offer here.